Only experienced instructional designers will get this. If you don't know how to use data, you're just another instructional designer with an opinion. Now, join us as we focus on the 4 crucial analytics types that inform the way organizations approach L&D. We start with Descriptive Analytics, which provides insights into past events. Imagine it as using the rearview mirror to gauge the historical effectiveness of our learning programs. Next, we venture into Diagnostic Analytics, which tackles the "why did it happen" question. This thorough analysis aids in pinpointing the underlying reasons for the successes or challenges encountered in our learning endeavors. Advancing to Predictive Analytics, we utilize historical data to anticipate future trends. This forward-looking approach ensures that our L&D strategies are always one step ahead, prepared for upcoming learning requirements. Concluding with Prescriptive Analytics, we're given guidance on the best course of action. This sophisticated form of analytics enables us to customize learning paths, ensuring our strategies align perfectly with our business objectives and have the greatest impact. Incorporating descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive analytics into our methodology enhances the individual learning experience and drives significant outcomes for the business. Now, let's get down to business with data and turn insights into results.